So we've actually also reduced the requirements or relaxed some of the requirements to make it easier for us.
2022 has been described as a good year for players in the financial sector following splendid performances by banks. For those who may not be aware, three of the top five banks exceeded the billion kwacha profit before tax mark, a feat attributed to a positive economic environment.
The non-performing loans across the sector ended the year below 6%. So they were at 5.8% NPL, which is a very good performance when you aggregate the performance of banks.
Bankers Association of Zambia says the satisfactory performance is expected to trickle to other sectors of the Zambian economy.
We've seen in the last 2 years, particularly in 2022, doesn't just speak to the progress of the banks themselves. It means the supported industries also were progressing.
Will this positive performance benefit SMEs, who are the engine of any given economy, considering the Bank of Zambia's recent market intervention of increasing the statutory reserve ratio from 9% to 11.5%?
Going forward, we would like to see a situation where probably maybe the government can make these other vehicles that are providing cheap capital more efficient and more reliable to entrepreneurs for us to grow the entrepreneurial base.
Economist Emmanuel Zulu feels that the move by the central bank will stifle SME growth as it will hike interest rates.
An interest rate which is above 200%, it's quite cumbersome. Which business are you going to do that is going to enable you realize that money and pay back that loan? You see, that's the more reason most businesses are suffocating or individuals are suffocating in debt. So I think it is an appeal that we actually see that we put in measures that can make alternative sources of capital available.
The move to stabilize the falling kwacha is welcome, but alternatives that will provide affordable capital for SMEs must be made available to keep the agenda of economic recovery on track.
For Diamond News, Wenson Mavor.